Hey everyone, it's me, Liv. So for this week's project, using the Mixed Media Dress Jolie kit, I am going to be starting off to do an art journal page. So as you see here, I'm taking my oil pastels, using a combination of colors here, and just going ahead and putting it down on the page. Now, I found that using some baby oil really helps move it around the page a lot easier. One thing I would recommend is to actually try to use different ones if you're trying to keep the colors separated. If not, it will end up blending somewhat like you saw me do here. Now, I decided with blue, green, and yellow, but then I was doing it, I felt like I was missing some type of more depth. So I am going to go back, taking out some more of that yellow and trying to bring in just a little bit of a red color in here, just sporadically throughout, just to bring in another color, just to kind of balance it out. So again, taking that baby oil, just regular old baby oil I got over at the pharmacy, and using my Q-tips to spread it out. Now that I have it all spread out, as you can see, and bringing some of those colors in, I'm going to go ahead and take my stencil. And one of the things that I'm going to do is, I felt again I didn't have enough of that red. I'm actually going to use the red color within my stencil, really to make it pop out a little bit and bring a little bit more depth to this page. So you're going to see me do that both with the red color as well as with the So now I'm going to go ahead and ink up the edges here with a little bit of the white ink pad, bringing it all around the outside. And once I have all that, going to be doing a little bit of stamping. I'm just using some black Versa Clear ink here. I'm using an Mixed Media stamp. I believe this is AL Create stamp, but not positive because I tend to throw all my stamps together. But anyway, now I am moving on to using the Dress My Craft Transfer Me images. So what I'm going to be doing is just dipping my paintbrush into a little bit of water and slowly getting the backside of the image wet. So it's best not to peel up like you see me here doing that mistake. It is actually best either to make it all go away and rub it out like I did, or slide it off if you can. So you're going to see me doing the same thing on an image right here on top too as well. decided the easiest thing to do here is actually color them using the oil pastels. So you're going to see me go ahead and color the chipboard pieces here and actually stay pretty bright using the oil pastels like this. I did not treat it with anything else in regards to using any type of baby oil on it. I just left the colors sitting on top, as you're going to see. Now that I have these images all colored up, my final steps are to go ahead and put the chipboard pieces down, as well as I did feel like I needed to do at least one more of the Transfer Me images on the sheet. I'm going to glue them, the chipboard down with some art glitter glue and then add my sentiments. And my piece is pretty much done from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. If you want to check out any of the supplies that are available in the June media kit, please be sure to see the link below and go ahead and purchase that mixed media style kit. Hope everyone has a great day. Take care, guys. Bye.